Alis na po kami para pumunta sa Pier 1 kasi sa Pier 1 yung pila para makapag-check-in kami sa Opulence. So eto na po oh. Ayan, kita ko na from here si Opulence Cruise. Ayan, the Opulence. Right over here. Tapos dito tayo mag-check-in. Ayan, may mga nakapila na rin dito. Ayan, mag-check-in na si Arman with this voucher na binili lang namin sa Klook yung voucher nito. Papakita lang namin yung QR code para we're able to get in. So, marami ng mga tao dito. Feeling ko lahat sila nag-aabang. Alright, we're getting ready. Kailangan namin idikit tong sticker na to sa aming mga shirt para they recognize na we are one of the VIPs. Charot. We are one of the attendees. Talagang John. O, ako naman. The Opulence Ball. Ito ko ilalagay. Because I'm a normie. Ayan. And then we have our tickets. Ito na. So now we're going to go to the pier and get into the yacht or the boat. Get into it. Yes. Let's go. Walking na to our boat. Ito siya. Lahat ba to? Lahat ng taong nakapila yan?
Sa atin.
Hindi lahat. Sana naman kasi parang ang dami. Oo.
Hindi pa siya nakalaglag ng sticker.
Sino?
Yung
Kasi nawawala. Ayan, at Meridian Cruise pala to. So ayan, yun yung boat nila. Oh. Parang dami. So kanina sa Pier 1 kami nag-take ng tickets. Pero yung papasok kami dito sa Pier 2. What is this line? Ayun, Opulence. It's so crowded. Ayun, Opulence. Merong nakataas na sign. Sobrang crowded right now dito sa pier. Daming tao. Ayan. Doesn't feel very opulent at all. Pero iba-ibang mga cruise naman yata to. Hindi naman sila opulence lahat. Pero tingnan nyo. Ayan, ganyan kadaming tao. Siksikan kami, guys. We have a nice light show while waiting for us to board our boat. Daming tao. Tingnan nyo. Ang gadami yung tao. Buti na lang may pa dancing fountain ganap dito. Keep us entertained while we're waiting. Ayan na, finally. Ayan na, si Opulence, the most opulent yacht. Paparating na siya. Ito daw yung pinakabago ngayon na yacht, na cruise. Kanina ang pangalan ay the Meridian. Ngayon naman ito, si Opulence. They own everything. Woohoo! Yay! Hello! Hi! Ito tayo nagbababay sa kanila. Hello! Bye-bye! Bye-bye! Ready na kami! Pasok na kami! We are all going to be ferried into the river. Ayan na. Lakad na tayo, guys. Ang dami pala natin pasahero. Bibigay na natin yung ticket natin before we are able to enter. Thank you. Grabe. Mahirap. Mahirap bago makapasok. Ayan na po. Ito na. Oh my God. Pasok na. Hello. Hi. Okay. Pasok na po tayo. Okay. Oh my God. Ito na. Aircon. Rooftop here. Parang mas masaya dito sa aircon. That way. Thank you. Ay, andito na yung mga food, guys. Look at all the food here. Ayan. Ayan yung mga pagkain na available. Lots of, seafood, Thai cuisine. Oh, this is roast beef. Tapos, ayan, pika-pika stuff. Oh, fresh fruits. Kuha tayo nito mamaya, itong dragon fruit kasi mukhang masarap. And various cakes and pastries. Ayan. Mga cakes. Ano kaya to? Dessert daw to, guys. Thai desserts daw. Hindi ko pa alam kung ano sila pero tikman natin. Ito mukhang mga kakanin. And then there's milk and sugar. Interesting. This is stir-fried river prawns with soya sauce. Ito mga tahong mussels, New Zealand mussels daw. Ito yung river prawns, mga shrimp ang lalaki. Grilled prawns naman here. And then mga different sauces available. Meron ding bar over here. So baka may party-party mamaya. Ayan, may different types of whiskey, cognac. Ayan, there's also wine available. Ayun, feeling ko may mga cocktails din. And this is our view. That's Icon Siam right there. And this is our view from the rooftop. Ayun. Tapos dito naman yung dagat, yung Chao Phraya River. Dagat. Dagat talaga. River pala. The Chao Phraya River over there. Meron na tayong naka-reserve na table, UB33. And this is where it is. Hello! It's right beside the, the buffet. yung namin, table namin. We're on a date. We're on a dinner cruise. Sa ticket namin, nakalagay na yung table number. So kami daw ay UB33. So hanapin nyo lang kung saan yung table number nyo. Ayan, UB33. Tapos doon kayo nakaupo. So that's the good thing about the cruise. Meron na kayong mga naka-reserve na table. So hindi na agawan, di ba? Alam nyo na kung saan kayo pupwesto. And kami na-request namin na rooftop. So itong si Opulence na river cruise, meron siyang 3 levels. The lower deck, the upper deck, and the rooftop. So where we are at right now is the rooftop. And then yung upper deck, yung nadaanan natin kanina, actually not bad siya kasi air-conditioned sa upper deck. So malamig doon. So right now, nandito tayo sa pinakataas. Mainit. Kasi, syempre, hindi to air condition dito. But, hopefully later, pag umandar na siya, lumamig ng konti kapag mahangin na. Tsaka kanina nanggaling kami sa masikip na pila. So, I guess that's part of the reason why nainitan ako right now. But later, hopefully later, mas malamig na and mas ma-enjoy na natin ang view kasi hindi na maalingasa ang init. Friends, ang ganda. So, relax lang kami mamaya while having dinner. Tapos ganito yung view namin. Ayan. Hindi naman masikip kahit na marami kami na pasahero. Oh, di ba? Taray. To be fair, right now it really feels premium naman. Except yung experience na ang dami namin kanina siksikan. Now na nakapwesto na, mukhang okay naman na. Friends, umaandar na tayo. Gumagalaw na. Ay! It's real! It's a reality now. Ayan. Maandar na po ang boat. Yung narinig nyo sa background, nag-announce, parang mga safety reminders siya. Medyo muffled lang yung yung boses niya, hindi namin maintindihan. Oh my God, gumagalaw na.
Meron daw safety stuff
underneath the chairs. Okay. So siguro may mga life vests under our chairs. They have a smoking area at the second floor. Parang Pilipina yung magsalita. Oh, sa second floor daw may mga sushi and sashimi. So pwede natin puntahan mamaya. Sa upper deck, which is yung second floor, may mga Japanese food daw doon. Nandun yung mga sushi and sashimi. Although, ako personally, hindi ako kakain ng raw fish kapag hindi siya proper restaurant. So, maybe I'll pass. Pero I'll show you later what it looks like mamaya sa baba. So, binuksan na nila yung food. Ayan o, binuksan na nila. We can start eating now. Nagtatayuan na yung mga tao, guys. Pipila na sila. Ay, umaandar na talaga. Hindi na mainit. Kanina mainit kasi naka-steady tayo, naka-standby. Pero now na umandar na, mahangin na and mas nice na actually here, no? Sa rooftop. Kanina nagdadalawang isip ako na baka better sa upper deck kasi air condition. Pero hindi din naman pala mainit dito. Mas maganda nga yung vibes eh. I like it here. Are you having a great time, Arman? Magkaroon. So, great time. Cheers! Ay, tamis.
I thought it was wine. Sorry.
Friends, medyo mahirap pala mag-balance detail. Nasa barko nga pala tayo. Ayan yung itsura ng food nila. Oh, merong lasagna. Ayan. And different kinds of pasta also there. Ito ay mixed veggies. Ayan po ang mga food. This is chicken curry. This is chicken karage. Pwede take close. We're going under the bridge. Go back to our seats daw kasi merong train. Arman, go back to our seats daw. Under the bridge. Kailangan natin Kaya pala sinara lahat ng mga
Ito si ate.
Yung ano, yung ate na nasa mic, yung taga-announce, kanina pa siya sabi na mind your head, mind your head. Kasi dadaan tayo sa ilalim ng bridge. Oh, that's one of the unique experiences here. Dadaan tayo under several bridges, I think. So kaya kanina, sinaran nila yung mga food para hindi madumihan kasi dadaan tayo sa ilalim ng bridge. As in, parang mababaw lang siya na bridge, ha?
Yung mga tao,
Ayun, you'll see it later. Oo nga, ba't ang dami pa rin nakatayo? Do not touch. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, nakakalula. Oh my God, oh my God. I'm scared, I'm scared. I'm scared, I'm scared. Oh my God, oh my God. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Nakakatakot. Nakakatakot pala. Nakakatakot. We just went under the Fra Poklao Bridge.
Rama 8.
Rama 8? Nakakatakot pala.
Ay ba, may isa pa.
Meron pa? Hindi pa tapos. Hindi pa tapos. Oh my God, natatakot ako. Natakot ako. Oh my God. 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 I'm so scared. 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 Natakot ako. Natakot ako. Natakot ako. Natakot ako. Siguro meron akong megalophobia. Something big stuff. Oh my God, nakaka-scary. Nakatakot. Okay naman. So ito pong the rest of the food that they have here. Ito yung mga ulam-ulam na. Itong kanin guys, mukhang masarap oh. This is beef stew. Then this is hamburg steak. Stir-fried seafood and curry powder. Then yun naman ay fish. Sea bass yung nandun sa dulo. Ayan, sea bass. Then we have here chicken karage and green chicken curry. So ito po yung kinuha ko from the buffet. A little of everything. As in literal na a little kasi ayan, isang broccoli, isang meatball steak, isang chicken karage, isang french fries, one lasagna, this is sea bass, this is beef stew, and then we have fried rice. Ayan, meron din kaming salad. I got konting fruits lang, ayan, dragon fruit and pineapple kasi syempre dito sa Thailand, masarap yung fruits nila. Ito kay Armando naman, mga cakes. And friends, ito, merong beef steak and grilled prawns. Ayan, kinuha ko talaga yan. Itong beef steak, tamang-tama yung timing kasi magsaserve pa lang sila, nakita ko na parang maikli pa yung pila. So, kinuha ko na agad. Happy? Tayo po ay kain na. Ang ating utensils ay naka-plastic. First ay itong meatballs, beef steak meatballs. Hamburg steak meatballs. Sarap naman. Kaya rin naman. I mean, hindi siya Thai food. The rice is good. Itong karage, man natin.
Ba't nila tayo natin ng happy birthday?
Oh. Wow! This part of our view, itong magandang bridge na to. Armand! Yay! So nice! Nino, tayo?
UBR 33 daw.
Tayo ba yung binate? And then, I'm gonna try the beef stew. Ito po, beef stew. Sakto lang. Tender naman yung beef. Seafood, some sea bass. Oh, the sea bass. Wow. Banghang and masim. Ito naman guys, yung roast beef na pinilahan ko kanina. The roast beef is good. Tender meat. The sauce is very peppery. Dragon fruit naman. The best talaga fruits nila dito. Ito naman, the grilled prawns. Hindi masarap yung grilled prawns. Medyo gamey na. Baka overcooked. Ha?
Derek Berry.
What?
Derek Berry.
Saan? She's here?
Yeah.
Really? The tall person?
The naka-black.
With the cowboy hat?
No.
Tangkad naman nun. Derek Barry or
Derek
Courtney
Barry.
Act?
Like very. Wait here.
May photographer siya. Nandala siyang photographer. Ganda, ganda ng vibes. Tapos dinner namin. Wow! Ganda ng daanan natin, oh. Temple. Yan guys, so dadaanan ninyo kapag nandito kayo sa cruise. Yung maliit na dot na yan, that's the moon actually. Full moon tayo ngayon, kulay red. Nice. It's nice. Patawid-tawid ako kasi both sides kasi may mga magandang sights. Ayan, dito naman sa side natin, kita natin ang Wat Arun. Oh, ang ganda niya at night, guys. Ito yung pinuntahan natin kanina eh, na temple. Mas maganda pa siya at night kasi it's illuminated. Yan. Yan, let's bask in its glory. Ganda oh. Oh my God, oh my God. Armand, bumaka. Ah! Oh my God! Ang lapit, ang lapit. Yay! Nakapraning. I-joke ko dapat na tapos meron pa pala, no? Tapos meron pa pala talaga. Ah! Oh my God! Ha? Ang haba naman ito. Woo! Yay! Party na. Yes. May sayawan. Kasi ka pala. Didiretso pa ako dun. Ito na, balik na kami sa Icon Siam. Tapos na ang aming cruise. Puma-party-party na sila dun sa harap. Hindi lang ako makapunta kasi super crowded na. After nyo kumain, may mga pabanda, may pa-dance floor ganap dun sa harapan. So fun naman siya. Ayan, nandun sila. Ayan, dadaanan natin. Dito yata tayo magda-dock. So friends, yung mga kasama lang sa package natin na drinks ay tea and coffee lang. So kami, umorder kami ng Long Island iced tea, dalawa. So alam naman namin na magbabayad kami, pero umorder kami without knowing how much. So this is how much it costs. 640 baht yung dalawang glasses. So 320 baht siya, guys. Kailangan ito sulitin kasi mahal. Done na kami with the cruise. Ito, nasa harapan namin yung opulence. Ayun, okay naman. Medyo matagal siya. At some point, parang winish ko na tama na. Joke. Oo. Kasi medyo mahaba pala. Parang kahit na more or less mga 2 hours lang siya. Ang haba din. So parang okay lang na ano naman na nairaos naman. Fun pa rin siya overall. I would still recommend na you try this.
More than
Kasi,
the food, it's the experience.
yeah, the food. Well, consistent naman yung feedback ng mga tao. It's the food medyo so-so lang talaga. But the experience itself, you get to see many iconic tourist spots at night. Mas maganda yung iba at night actually kasi may ilaw. So it was nice, it was good, and it was fun. And na-enjoy ko rin yung kapag dadaan tayo sa ilalim ng bridge. So today was a really nice day. Dalawa yung napuntahan natin na temples. Nakakain tayo sa nice na restaurants, and then we capped it off with also a nice dinner. Parang halo yung ending, no? There's dinner, there's food, and then there's also parang iconic spots and all that. So very happy with our third day here sa Thailand. So thank you so much for watching, and also please subscribe kasi yung next video natin pupunta tayo sa Chatukchak and sa
Bangsu Junction.
Bangsu Junction. Ayun, bibili tayo ng mga last minute pasalubong stuff, mga pasalubong shopping. Pupunta din tayo sa Siam Paragon.
Siam Paragon, yes.
Siam Paragon kasi meron tayong hindi pa kami naka-move on sa massage lessons namin. This time we will take a full body spa experience. So merong massage, merong scalp massage, merong hair treatment, foot massage, facial. Kasi gusto namin ma-experience na minamasahe talaga kami, hindi yung kami yung nagmamasahe. So we're going to show that to you in our next video. So stay tuned and subscribe para you get to see more travel tips and food trips. Thank you so much and see you in our next video. Bye!